Welcome to Daily Lenten Reflections for Friday after Ash Wednesday. Today, we shall reflect on the theme of fasting. Fasting is a nasty spiritual practice. Why would anyone want to do it? It hurts. It throws our daily schedule out of whack. It disturbs our ordinary way of doing things. Our readings today speak to us about fasting. There is a right way and a wrong way of going about it. So let us ask ourselves, are we fasting because we wish to be closer to God and united with His will? Or do we have some other ulterior motive? In today's Gospel, Jesus evokes the wisdom tradition and reminds us that there is a time for everything under the sun. A time for fasting, but also a time for feasting. With Jesus in their midst, there is no need for the disciples to fast. But the day would come when He will not be with them. And then He tells them that there is a need for them to fast. Our reading from Isaiah reminds us that fasting is not a mere matter of refraining from food and drink. It also means reaching out to those who are poor and marginalized and those who are in need. Fasting also means refraining from other things which we cannot do without. During this Lenten season, let us ask the Lord for the grace to fast in a way that builds up the kingdom. Let us glorify the Lord in our bodies and be transformed by the renewal of our minds.